All right, we're it's summertime, and so we have interns in the office. We're gonna do a little.
This is Pete's. I'm calling from SC Capital. We are just looking to buy a couple properties in the DFW area.
You don't have any more school, so you're coming here to help mom and make some money.
Okay.
Well, this is Calyn. Will you say hi? She's our newest intern at the moment. So we want to get her opinion. She's a future interior decorator. What is your thoughts of the house? What do you think?
That's one way. Yeah, that is one way to do it for sure.
I like it.
You like it? Okay. You like those cars?
Yeah.
Would you do anything to the outside? You see that butterfly?
Yeah.
Yeah, but butterfly is so good.
Yeah, no, definitely.
It's a pretty butterfly.
Definitely. Appreciate your time.
Like that? Okay.
It don't have colors on it.
It does. What do you think about? Do we need to paint it, or would you leave it? Paint it. Tell them what color you'd paint it.
The color, like rainbow color.
Rainbow colors.
Yeah. I love the
Perfect day for that. What do we got here? What do you think about this room?
I like that room.
You like that room? What do you like about that?
I like the stores.
You like the doors?
Hey, I see the water bottles.
Water bottles?
Yeah.
I hope that's water. That's another butterfly. There's a trend here.
No.
Does it look like your mom needs to go there and fold the laundry?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see if we can have her do that. Let's look at a couple others. There's the outside. You like that front?
Yeah.
Maybe a rabbit?
Yeah. I see a rabbit right there.
Have you ever seen The Lion King?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's Rafiki's tree.
Jump. Bunnies jump.
Bunnies jump? Tell them.
It could jump also.
Bunnies jump.
Uh-oh.
What about this bathroom?
Yeah.
That's what we've been waiting for. Yeah, that's pretty gross, huh? Would you use that toilet?
No. I don't want to use this kind of rain.
That would be rough. I would rather use a colonial porta potty than that thing. Have you in more videos? What do we got here? This is the kitchen. What do you think?
I like.
Look, more butterflies. Butterflies everywhere.
Yeah.
They're cooking some pineapple.
I see that is it.
Yeah.
It says.
Is your house this dirty? Is your house that dirty?
No. But my car's dirty.
Mama's car is dirty? You gotta ask her to clean it. Let's see here. Let's look at a couple more. I want your opinion. What about this one? Oh! There you go. What do you think about, look, more butterflies?
Yeah.
They're everywhere. More butterflies.
A picture
Filth.
of butterflies.
How do you think all
I
the...
see a cup. A cup.
Right? How do you think all this dirt got on the walls? Tell them.
Does this look like a toilet?
You think the toilet overflowed?
Ew.
Oh, yuck.
Yeah,
That's something your brother would do, huh?
he could pee. He could pee. And my daddy could pee.
Hey, I heard a story one time that you threw poop on a wall. Is that true?
I didn't do that.
I remember.
Did that.
That was a traumatizing story for your parents. There's toilet paper. Alright, a couple more. What about this room? Looks like they're running some underground server.
And they look like a monster under that bed.
A monster? It's probably a pretty safe bet.
Yeah, I can look at my flashlight at night.
Is that all of them? Oh, here we go. We got some more. What do you think about that?
Where's that boy? What's that boy? That's not my brother.
That's not your brother?
No.
No, that's not your brother. I don't think your brother would be in this house. All right, look at the camera. Tell them your thoughts on this one. Give some final wisdom. What do you think about that house in one sentence?
2 cents.
Okay. Huh?
3 cents.
You think it's 3 cents? Okay. What one word to describe that house?
4 cents.
Fluorescent?
No, I'm 4.
You're 4? You are 4. You're about to be in pre-kindergarten?
Yes.
Okay. Well, tell everyone your name and wave at them. Who are you?
I'm Calyn.
Calyn the intern. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some entertainment and good interior decorating advice out of that. See you next time.